Hello dear learner, thank you for signing up for Effective Business Communication for 21st Century Workspace, offered by PG Department of Journalism and Mass Communication at St. Aloysius College, Autonomous. By signing up for this course, you have taken the first step towards making yourself a professional with a global outlook. By the end of this course, you will have certain vital communication skills that you will use throughout your professional life, your career. And these skills can help you launch an exciting and rewarding career. The workspace of 21st century is a diverse and complex ecosystem. It offers an interesting range of possibilities. You can choose to be part of a multinational corporation, or a small business, or an entrepreneurial startup. Or, like many professionals in the 21st century, you might want to take a leap and invent your own job as an independent freelancer. All of these workspaces require an individual to be at their professional best. What is this professionalism? It is the ability to perform at the highest possible level. It also involves conducting oneself with confidence, purpose, and pride. Employers of the 21st century are looking for true professionals who strive to excel, continue to hone their skills, and build their knowledge. They also look for individuals who can demonstrate a sense of business etiquette, make ethical decisions, show proactive communication capabilities, know how to speak words and visuals, and maintain a positive outlook. In this short course, we wish to impart to you all the above knowledge and then some more. Your instructors for this course are Reverend Dr. Melvin Pinto SJ, Head of the Department, Journalism and Mass Communication, St. Aloysius College, Mr. Vishal Naik, Assistant Professor, St. Aloysius College, Ms. Devishri Shetty, Assistant Professor, St. Aloysius College. You will soon receive the final course structure, important dates, and other instructions. We begin our classes on May 3rd, 2020. The classes are pre-recorded videos of 15 to 20 minutes duration. They will be graded tests, the dates of which you will be notified in advance. The course will end on May 25th, 2020. So once again, let me welcome you on behalf of the PG Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, St. Aloysius College. Keep checking your email regularly for course-related communication. See you on May 3rd, 2020. Happy learning.